Hello, so I just wanted to make a video quickly explaining this game that I made, or that I'm beginning to make. Uh, yeah, this is my space shooter game. Uh, as you can see, I actually have to highlight the window. I can move this player character around, and we have enemies coming down that we can shoot, and we have items falling here. So yeah, this game was made with the Amethyst game engine, which is is a game engine for Rust. So I wanted to work on learning Rust, and I learned well through making games. So I decided to make something like this. Yeah, and I guess I'll just start by explaining all the features that I've implemented. So the first is the movement. So you can use the WSAD keys to move around, and I added there's an acceleration system, so if you press and release, you can kind of hear it. He keeps going a little bit and slows down. Forward and backward too. I did make the velocity forward and backward slightly faster because it makes sense with the shape of the ship. Also, so space shoots, and then these two arrow keys do a barrel roll. So currently there's no animations in this game, but the barrel roll is going to be something to quickly give you a boost of velocity. So if I'm going this way, I can, instead of decelerating, I can just quickly barrel roll in the other direction. And also it'll be a way to dodge enemy bullets when I program those in. So I'm going to restart this so I can explain what the items do. So periodically we're going to start seeing these items falling from the top with the gold outline. And these items upgrade the abilities. So that one was kind of hard to notice any difference, but if you'll notice, my speed or maximum velocity is much faster now. This item increases the damage and the speed that I can fire these blasts. And there's two more. So this is the steel barrel, which lets me barrel roll through enemies and destroy them and do damage to them. And this one is an engine that increases the acceleration. So you can see I decelerate and accelerate much quicker. So yeah, the only core mechanics I really need to add are the health system for the player and the damage system. But other than that, I have item pools, an item pool that you can make that can randomly spawn items. I have an enemy pool where you can randomly spawn enemies. And after I get the player health system going, I'm pretty much all done with most of the core mechanics, besides adding more items and enemies. But then I plan to continue this and try to make levels out of it and make a game that is actually fun to play. So yeah, that's my quick explanation of this. I'll put the link to the GitHub page if you want to check it out. I encourage you to look at the code and give Amethyst a try if you're interested. Yeah, it's been a fun experience, and I hope some of you are inspired to make something of your own.